Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix NARAKA BLADEPOINT Connection or the server error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to update the network driver. To do that, just simply press the Windows key plus X and select Device Manager from the Quick Link menu. And from the list of drivers, just locate Network Adapters and double click to expand your drivers. And then after that, right click onto your network driver and select the update driver option from the context menu. So it is this right here, the update driver. And then after that, select the search automatically for driver option from the resulting prompt window. And after doing so, just simply restart your PC after the update is completed and then launch the game after that. And the next what you can do is to clear the DNS cache. So another solution you should try is to flush your DNS cache to fix the Nakara Bladepoint can connect to server issue on your PC. So just follow the steps right here. So press the Windows key plus R and simply type the CMD in the text box. So for example, here in the photo, and then after that, just simply press Ctrl Shift Enter on your keyboard to open this command prompt with administrative privileges. And then just simply type ipconfig slash flush DNS. And after doing so, just restart your PC and then launch the game afterward. And then lastly, what you can do is to clear cache files. So Steam users should clear the download cache on their Steam game client to fix their Nakara game that can connect to the server. So just follow the steps outlined right here. So click onto your Steam menu from the top right corner of the screen and then select settings. And click onto the downloads from the options on the left pane and click onto the clear download cache. So it is this part right here as shown in the photo, and then simply click OK to confirm the action and then just restart your PC and then launch the game. And then so that's it for this video and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.